the state. Fact is, Adventureland was built right over the top of one of the most notorious caverns to ever be dug out under Iowa soil. Now, one time, this here underground was the hideout for some of the most wanted outlaws and bank robbers ever to roam the territory. That is until Sheriff Sam got plumb fed up with it. You see, the story goes that when a large shipment of gold was robbed by Bad Bob and his gang, Sheriff Sam and his posse were just waiting for him. And when those scoundrels headed to the underground, Sheriff Sam proceeded to dynamite every entrance and exit known into the mine he could find. And that was the end of the underground, and the end of Bad Bob.
Welcome to the underground. If you have any large loose item, food and drink, please cross your seats and leave them around the handrail.
You need drink money? You don't need it.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, now here you go.
Now that y'all are aboard, I need to warn you of a couple more things. Keep your gall darn head and arms inside the cart at all times, and don't go touching nothing. I'll be a-watching, and you'll be in a heap of trouble with the people here at Adventureland. Now go on, go! Get going!
Alright, thank you. Now go ahead and put some money in that bar. You exit off your right. Please remember use items anyone to know we have around. Well, thank you for making it to the underground. And have a fun-filled day here at Adventureland.